Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another algorithm video. So in this video, we'll actually be seeing a simple Python code for sum of all prime numbers algorithm. So yeah, let's just say you're given a number. Let's just say you want to calculate the sum of prime numbers of, first 10 numbers. So let's just say you're given the numbers from 1 to 10. And in that, first of all, you have to find the prime numbers. And then you have to calculate the sum of that prime number and output that particular sum into your screen, okay? So what are prime numbers? That is really important. So if you don't know the prime numbers are actually those numbers who only have two factors, okay? One is actually 1 and the second factor is the number itself. Let's just take an example like if we take 3. So 3 only has two factors. One is number 1 and the other factor is 3 itself. So let's just see how we can calculate the sum of these prime numbers with the help of a Python code. Alright, so this will be the code for that. So first of all, you need to define is prime, and in which you'll have to take num as parameters, and then we have taken if statement. So if num is greater than 2, then we have to return false, okay? And then we have to apply a for loop over here, because obviously for loop is really essential in this type of question, because we need to keep on going between the numbers. Like you'll provide total numbers, right? So in that you have to find the prime number first of all. So the first step is to find the prime numbers. For that, for loop is really important. So then we have applied the second function, which will define sum all primes. So in the first step, we'll find prime number first of all, and our second step is to sum all the prime numbers, okay? And then after the sum of this prime number, in which we'll also apply the for loop, and then we'll take input from the user into the number n and the prime number sum, and after that it will print the sum of prime numbers up to n, or whatever number you're gonna input. So yeah, let's just now go ahead and run this code. Okay, so first what is asking me to enter a number n. So let's just say I enter 10 over here. So it's saying sum of all prime numbers up to 10 is 17. So how did it give this answer? So the prime numbers up to 10 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and that's it. So if we add all these numbers, it gives us the answer as 17. Okay, so let's just now go ahead and run this again, and now put 15 over here. So it's saying sum of all prime numbers up to 15 is 41. So up to 10 it was 17, and if we add 11 and 13 to that, because these are also prime numbers up to 15, so it gives us the answer 41. So yeah, this is basically a very simple algorithm. First of all, you need to find prime numbers, and for that you have to make a function, and then you need to define sum of all prime numbers, because the second step will be to calculate the sum of all that prime numbers. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye.